How to learn Starbucks mobile ordering basics. Hi everyone, I'm Jesus D. Today, without any delay, let's jump right in. First, install Starbucks app on your device. You will find this kind of screen. Here, in the home section, you'll find all the feed latest deals. And if you click on scan at the bottom, you can scan then pay however you like to earn 1 point per dollar. And also link payment to pay and earn 1 per dollar. And then if you click on order at the bottom, you can choose pickup or delivery option at the top. And if you click on the magnifying glass, search for your location, you'll find nearby locations. You can click on the restaurant and press on order here. And after that, you can select from the menu item what you want to order. Then simply click on it. After you've done this, select size options. What's included are there. You can choose from here as well. You can customize, and at the bottom you'll find full nutrition and ingredient list as well. Press on add to order and order it. After you do this, if you have clicked on pickup, you can go to the store and pick up, and if you have added delivery, it will deliver to your location. This is how to learn Starbucks mobile ordering basics. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.